Choose the wrong GoHighLevel plan and you would end up losing hundreds of dollars every single month. Some people pay for features they never even touch. Others go for the cheapest plan and they soon hit a wall. In this video, I'm breaking down every GoHighLevel plan, who each one is really for and how to avoid the most common mistake new users make. And by the end of this video, you'll exactly know which plan fits your goal. Plus, I have some free resources to help you launch faster, so stick around. Hey, I'm Siram and I've been using GoHighLevel for years now, for my own business and for my clients. Now I share tips on using GoHighLevel, starting your agency and building a SaaS business with it. And I've also put together a free course named Quick SaaS Launch. It walks you through the exact steps you need to take to start a GoHighLevel SaaS agency business. So if you're just getting started, or maybe you have even started but finding it difficult to land clients, this course might be for you. You'll find the link to the course in the description below. Go sign up after you watch this video. Alright, let's get into it. So GoHighLevel has three main pricing plans: Starter, Agency Unlimited and the SaaS mode. Let me walk you through each one step by step. Choosing the right GoHighLevel plan isn't just about saving money. It's also about getting the most out of what you are paying for. Now here's the thing. All three plans give you the exact core features. By feature, I mean things like email marketing, SMS marketing, website builder, hosting. All that stuff is included in every plan. So what's the difference then? It's not what you can do, but it's about how you can sell it. This is where most users get confused. The real difference is in the selling side. Things like reselling, markup, and turning it into an actual SaaS product. Alright, now let's break down the plans. So first up is the starter plan, which costs $97 per month. This is the most basic plan. You get all the features including white labeling. That means you can rebrand the whole platform with your logo, your custom domain, your API domain, and so on. This plan gives you 3 sub-accounts. One for your main business or agency, and the rest of the 2 you can resell it or give it to others. It's perfect if you're just getting started with GoHighLevel or starting a new agency. But here's the catch, you can't sell it as a true SaaS business with automations and built-in billing. Yes, you can resell it, but you can't do things like automatically create new sub-accounts, rebill for email, SMS and AI usage, add a markup and make extra profit from rebilling SMS, emails and AI usage, etc. Now if you're wondering what is rebilling and markup, here's the thing, when you are paying for any of the GoHighLevel plans, you are only paying for the software usage. But for the extras like emails, SMS, AI usage and other add-ons like WhatsApp or Yext, you pay for using those separately. Let's say AI message costs $0.02 per message. With the higher plan, you can charge your clients $0.03 and keep the 0.1 as a profit. That's called markup. In the starter plan, you don't get that feature. You just pay for their usage without being able to profit from it. While the starter plan is great for beginners, it's not ideal for you if you want to run a full SaaS setup and scale big. However, this plan can be great for businesses like coaches and consultants, affiliate marketers, course and digital product sellers, local business services who want to do their own marketing. You can use the software for yourself and also resell the 2 sub-account to your friends or your relatives or other businesses. That way you can cover your monthly cost and also get the tools that you want for your business. Alright, next up we have the Agency Unlimited plan, also known as the Freelancer plan. This one costs $297 per month and here's what you get. You can create unlimited sub-accounts, which means you can sell it to unlimited businesses, which is a big jump from the 3 sub-account limit in the starter plan. Plus, you unlock the ability to make profit from things like email usage, SMS usage, email verification, autocomplete address, domain purchase, dedicated IP, and even AI features like Content AI, Reviews AI, Conversation AI, and Voice AI, etc. However, you still can't run it like a full SaaS business yet. You can't automatically create sub-accounts when someone signs up. And you can't automatically set up tiled pricing with different features, access levels. Let me break it down. You must have noticed most SaaS business has a tiered pricing plan. For example, let's say your software has 5 features. You offer 2 features in the basic plan, 3 in the Pro plan, and all the 5 in the Premium plan. That kind of setup. You can't do that with either the Starter or the Unlimited plan. That ability comes with the final plan we'll talk about in a second. Now who is this $297 per month plan for? It's perfect for agency owners or someone who's wanting to start an agency. You can package GoHighLevel with your own services like Meta Ads, Google Ads, SEO, etc. and offer the software on top of that. And here's a major advantage. When you combine service with your software, you can charge high ticket pricing and reduce churn too. Even if they stop using your service, they'll stick around because they are hooked to the software. I actually broke this down in another video, how to start an agency with GoHighLevel. You can find the link to the video in the card above, and I'll also leave the link to it in the description below. But make sure to watch it after this video. And now here's another idea when it comes to the agency unlimited plan. Instead of selling services, you can just start an AI and automation agency with this plan. Just build automations that solve real problems for a specific niche and sell those as solutions. And if that sounds interesting, or you are either thinking of starting a SaaS plus service business or an automation agency, as I mentioned earlier, I have a free course for you, Quick SaaS Launch. You'll find the link to that course in the description below. Or if you want direct help, just sign up using my affiliate link, which will also be in the description below. And I'll personally help you set up your account, find your niche, build your offer, and create a marketing strategy for you and more. You'll get 8 one-on-one calls with me within a time period of 8 weeks with weekly calls and chat support. So if you're ready to get going, sign up after this video and reach out to me when you've done that. Alright, now let's talk about the final plan. Now this is the real game changer. The SaaS mode plan, which costs $497 per month. And this plan unlocks everything. You get things like built-in billing, automated sub-account creation, full rebilling and markup option, where you can put up the markup of 10x and profit from your client's usage, and many, many more. In short, it's like you're not using GoHighLevel anymore. You are becoming the platform. If you want to skip the agency route and go straight into building your own SaaS business, this is the plan you need. So if you're serious about running a SaaS business with automated system and scalable pricing, this is the plan for you. Alright, let's break it down one more time so that you can make the right decision. Number one, if you're just starting out as an agency or want to use GoHighLevel for your own business, then the starter plan is for you, which costs $97 per month. And the second one, if you're running client campaigns or want to offer services with the software, or you want to build an AI and automation agency, get the agency unlimited plan, which is $297 per month. And finally, if you want to build an actual SaaS business and automate things like onboarding and all, go with the SaaS mode plan, which is $497 per month. And here's the simple rule to make it even more clear. Start with the starter or the agency unlimited plan if you're providing services or want to use it for your own business. But if you want to start a SaaS company and have the budget or the hustle to get clients fast, SaaS mode is the way to go. And in case you have already signed up for GoHighLevel and you think you are in the wrong plan, here's the thing you can do. Just go to settings, billings, then choose a new plan and hit upgrade or downgrade. That's it. And finally, before we wrap it up, don't forget, if you use my affiliate link, you'll get one-on-one help from me, all my templates and assets, access to my private community, and all the support to launch fast. Or if you'd rather go step by step at your own pace, you can get my free course, Quick SaaS Launch. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. And now you exactly know which GoHighLevel plan fits your goals. So don't wait, grab the right plan and get started and start building your business. And if you have got any questions, drop them in the comments. I reply to every single one. And watch the next video to learn how to start a digital marketing agency or an AI agency.